Annyeonghaseyo, July.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, this morning, I will give you 50 pesos for your allowance. This is given by Ichangining.
Changani. Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver the rice for Merry Chris. You have 1 sack of rice and also 3,000 pesos for teacher Maritas birthday gift. Okay, and also 1,000 pesos for Ryan. Okay, and that is all from Chosong Jin Team Jangnim.
Chosungjin Team Jangnim. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so since Mary Grace is in the school today, so you, Ryan, and Mary Grace have 5 kilogram of rice, two sacks of 5 kilogram rice, Mary Grace and Ryan, and that is from Ura Chachaning.
Ura Chachanim. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
And also Mary Grace, she have 25 kilos of rice, and that is from Iho Jinim.
Iho Jinim. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다. For Mary Grace.
Okay, and lastly, Ryan, you have 1 box of Jin Ramen, and that is from Kim Byung Yong Nim.
Kim Byung Yong Nim. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Jasmine.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver 500 pesos for you and also for Nicole. Okay, please receive. And also you have 1,000 worth of fruits for you and also for Nicole. Kachi. Okay, and that is from Ura Chachanim.
Ura Chachanim. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye bye. Oh, Jinab.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon. Mana klase? Mana? Okay. So I'm here to deliver 2,000 pesos for you. Okay. And you also have 1 box of ramen. Okay. And that is from Amagetonim.
Amagetonim. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Merlinda. Okay, so since Jandi have a class today, so she have 4,000 pesos to be buy her Umas medicine. Okay, and also for groceries. Okay, worth 4,000 pesos and 1 box of Jin Ramen, and that is all from Amagetonim.
Amagetonim. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다. Jandi.
Okay, bye bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Jandi. Are you came from school? Holiday? Nagabihan lagi ka?
Abi ko naman ako.
Or fixing your brother? Younger brother, okay. Earlier, clerics delivered you 1 box ramen. 1 box ramen, please give. And also 4,000 pesos. And this is given by Amagetonim.
Amagetonim. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다.
Okay, and this is for the medicine of your mother and also for the groceries. Groceries mo ha para inyohang konsumo ha.
Asa man the picture?
Mag-grocery mo ato. Bahala mo asa mo mag-isano ha para inyohang konsumo. Okay? Okay.
Amagetonim. 감사합니다. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Study hard, Jandi. Okay.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Angie.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good
Okay.
morning.
So since Jaisel have a class today, so she have 6,000 pesos for her birthday celebration and a family meal. Okay, worth 6,000 pesos, and also she have 1 box of ramen, Jin Ramen, and that is from Amagetonim.
Amagetonim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Giselle's family meal and ramen.
Okay, bye-bye.
안녕하세요. Good afternoon, Giselle. So, bago pa ka nabot, no? Kapoy? So, earlier, Amagetonim gave you 6,000 for your birthday celebration and family meal. And also, 1 box of ramen. So, i-check lang kung 6 bagid ng kwan. 6,000 ba tong kwarta? 6? Okay. So, that is from Amagetonim.
Amagetonim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
So, 감사합니다, Amagetonim. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.